everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you my favorite jeans. If you're looking for something fashionable and comfortable in a pair of jeans, you have found the right ones here by HDLTE. These women wide leg jeans are super comfortable. There's many things I appreciate about them. I really like that the fabric is super soft. They are high-waisted. They're wide leg. And I love that the back pockets and the front pockets are very well made and spacious. You're going to see that this beautiful color, it's super easy to match with different tops. I also love how well made it is. The stitching, it's very well made. The pockets, the zipper is super smooth, and the material is high quality. I would definitely get another pair of these jeans, and I would recommend them to all of my friends. They come in a variety of beautiful colors. These jeans are super comfortable, they're super trendy and affordable. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.